Good afternoon. So my slides are pretty much the contact information for my agency. There we go. I come from the U.S. Department of Education's Office for Civil Rights. It's one agency within the Department of Education. Our job is to enforce civil rights laws within educational institutions. There are 12 field offices within the Department of Education's Office for Civil Rights across the country. Each office has jurisdiction over one or more states. So there's an office here in Cleveland. We have jurisdiction over the state of Ohio and the state of Michigan. We enforce civil rights laws both in school districts, K through 12, as well as colleges and universities, some library systems, prisons. It's basically any institution, public or private, that gets federal funding, we have jurisdiction over. So there's the contact information for my office. And then these are the various laws we enforce. Title VI, which is prohibition against discrimination on the basis of race, color, national origin. Title IX, which is sex. 504 and Title II, which is disability. The Age Discrimination Act, and the Boy Scouts Act. So what we do is we get complaints filed by either a student, a third party, parents, saying my child or myself as a student has been discriminated against. And we have roughly 30 people in the office here in Cleveland, again, over the entire state of Ohio and the entire state of Michigan. We do civil rights investigations, and then we come up with a resolution. We can take a university or a school district to enforcement, which is sort of the ultimate thing would be to strip that institution of federal funding. That is very rare. Usually most of these institutions just want to do the right thing and come into compliance, but we're a law enforcement agency, so we do these law enforcement investigations. But on the previous slide, you saw my contact information, and we're here to help. So if you have situations that need some assistance, please reach out to us. Some examples, just real quickly, of two different types of cases that we've done in the last couple years. We had a complaint brought to us by two Chinese American, actually two Chinese, they were very recent immigrants, and they were trying to enroll in a school district and were being given a lot of difficulty. And through the actions of ourselves, as well as some folks at the Federal Mediation and Conciliation Service, we were able to get those two students enrolled. Oops, and I think I just went backwards. Okay. And then another one was we had an Indian student that was a student at Case Western Reserve, and he had similar issues, and we were able to intercede, do an investigation, get an agreement. So those are the kinds of things that we help out.